see if it's steaming or not. Oh yeah, it's in defrost. I don't know about the Goodman. This one's a defrost. It looks like it just kicked into defrost, so I'm gonna go see what this Goodman's doing over here. This one kind of looks like it's also a defrost. No. Has it been running? Yes. I think it just turned off. This one's a defrost over here. I got my phone. All right. This thing's not really steaming. For all I know, it might not even be defrost. These heat pumps are pretty weird over here, so I can't really tell. But yeah, sorry, I was just running around a whole lot. That Bryant heat pump is not running. I just was watching an old video of that. I was gonna be running. Is this thing like... What's going on with this thing? This thing is like... Maybe it's a compressor blanket is like... I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to cover your compressor like completely, because it's not gonna work as well. It's not gonna give off as much heat. It's gonna insulate that heat, so it's not gonna melt the ice off the coils. Because I'm pretty sure this is still ice. Well, maybe that might just be weathering erosion from the... Well, this actually does not have micro channel, which is nice. This thing's gonna take a while. Yeah. I only see a little bit of seam, so this one probably not too high. Hope it's not too high for this one, but yeah, I'm gonna get my... Whenever it's rainy like this, I always kind of stand alone. I put the duct tape at the side of my camera. Stuff for row in my pocket. I'm just gonna stick my camera here because this defrost is gonna take a while, and if it kicks out of defrost, it's gonna get it. So wetlands, sorry, but yeah, I'm not gonna be here for it. Glad I left my camera here. This thing just turned on. This is the one I caught defrosting a month ago. Or about a month ago. Yeah, it was a month ago. There goes it. Okay. The compressor just kicked back on. I'm pretty sure that's what the Yorks do, because I've seen it happen. See Smith. Pretty sure that one is 2012 5-ton. Sorry I darted because there was stuff happening. But yeah. We're watching it over now.